Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Klarna on Depop. So let's get into the video. So firstly, just open up Depop and then make any purchase or just order something that you wish to buy. So for example, I'll use these shoes here so for demo. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit these to buy now. Just whatever your item that you wish to purchase, just buy it. Just go for the checkout. So for example here, so let me, all right. So once you click on buy, and then all you have to do is just as usual, let's type in your shipping address and all those informations. That's fine. Okay, and then here, but what we are interested in here, when you get down to payment type here, so when you get to payment type here, you have the option of your debit cards, PayPal and Google Pay. So if you want to use Klarna on Depop, so what you can do, you can either use the you can use the debit and credit card information and then provide your Klarna card information. So for example, if you open up your app, your Klarna app, and generate a one-time digital card. So if you need help with creating a digital card on Klarna, we have a separate video covering those topic. You can have a look at it. But if you have the generated a one-time Klarna card, this is actually a prepaid Visa card issued by Klarna. So you can actually use these card details here, and then put in those information here, and then you can pay with that. Or else you can also do what you can do, you can add your Klarna card to your GPay, so your Google Pay. You can just hit to add to Google Pay. So once you have added to your Google Pay, you can also choose Google Pay option here and then pay with Google Pay. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this information is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.